लब्बैक 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 मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु लब्बैक 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 मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु
नबी नबी नबी।
The Western world is very biased, which is a proof that like countries Denmark and France are sponsoring blasphemous sketches. Islamophobia spread all over the world, banning on hijab and veil, aerial bombardment on Islamic countries under the guise of so-called war against terrorism and alliance of NATO. Now the West has started using Google search intent to express its bias. Mirza Masroor has been named as a present Caliph of Islam, while Qadiani religion have considered non-Muslim in all countries, especially in Pakistan. They were recognized as democratic, constitutional and parliamentary non-Muslims. Mirza Masroor has nothing to do with Islam. I condemn the audience, I condemn this process through this conference and appeal to Google administration not to betray knowledge and show Mirza Masroor Ahmad as a head of non-Muslim party. In the end, all I would like to say is that the current government is trying to change the law of Khatm-e Nubuwwat to fulfill external agendas. We are all gathered here against this nefarious effort. We demand that global media and Western power refrain from spreading anxiety in the world.